Alright guys, I have a huge update for the channel, several updates. I just can't get over how generous the RC community can be. And first I want to give just a massive thank you to Wade Skelton. Wade has an awesome vintage RC channel, one of the best I've seen on YouTube. Link in the video description. So definitely check it out. But he sent me out this original vintage Traxxas Tech. It's completely stock, all the way down to the stock 20-turn brushed motor. Needs a little bit of work to get it up and running, but it's pretty close. Need to redo some of the wiring here. And still has the original mechanical speed controller. I'm going to start it off brushed with the mechanical speed controller. This car dates back to the 90s, and then I'm going to throw in a brushed electronic speed controller, do some speed runs with it and such, and then if the handling's alright, I'm gonna probably go ahead and start putting a brushless combo in here and see how fast we can get this thing, have some fun with it. But again, I'm gonna start off with it with the brushed setup, so I don't go too crazy. I don't want to potentially damage this car. It's pretty cool and very unique, and I still haven't fine-tuned the body yet, but there we go. New addition to the channel. Additionally, I want to give a huge thank you to JR Hobby. He has a new YouTube channel, has about 25 subscribers, but you guys definitely want to go check out his channel. He has a Traxxas Bandit. He got up well past 100 miles an hour. He even ran the stock Valinian motor on 6X. It was just ripping, and I want to thank him for sending me out some new front spoilers for my Traxxas Bandit. My old one, I'd cut it down too small. The original one I had, it just flexed too much. The plastic was not quite as durable as this plastic is here, so I needed some more frontal downforce. Will this be too much? I don't know. It worked well in the JR Hobbies channel, and Ray did great using this wing. So hopefully it's not too much, and my car is more stable with this. He actually sent me 2 of them and a rear spoiler if I want to use this as well. He used the front and rear, and it worked really well for him. So we'll see. But I may cut one of these down a bit, certainly not as much as my old one, but I'm going to start off with a 2S run, hopefully this weekend, with this new spoiler on here, and we'll see how it handles, and hopefully that'll allow me to get some solid 3S passes in where I test that Liperior battery that may well be the fastest battery I own. Every time I run it, the car flips up. Now that's a great segue to the next thank you, and that is to Liperior for sending me out several new LIPOs to test on my channel. Previously, their Endurance Series batteries, I had 2 of them I tested, and they fell short of my expectations. Liperior batteries in general have been among the best that I've tested, possibly the best. The Liperior and SMC are both outstanding. I had one that was kind of average. That was just one of their standard Liperior Pro line. But the Endurance Series, it was in line with other budget batteries, but certainly didn't blow my hair back. So this is a newly designed, newly formulated Endurance Series I have here. And we'll see. I'm going to test it out in the Bandit, compare it to my drag pack, Genzace drag pack. And I have a Liperior battery that's just absolutely screamed in the Bandit. So we'll compare all these batteries together. I have 2 2S and 1 3S of these Endurance Series batteries. So We'll see how they perform. I gotta solder on some 8mm bullets, but I'll get to that soon. Christoph up on Facebook, he designed a 3D printed gear for my Kyosho Raider. And those of you that watch my channel know the Kyosho Raider is something I'm trying to get up even faster than I did before. Not sure how successful I'll be, but maybe at 2S. I need to get the stability back under control. But long story short, he has this custom 3D printed gear that's up on a web page that I'll put a link in the video description to. I can't remember the name of it. All kinds of 3D printed things up there. But this gear only cost me $5. It's like another $5 to have it shipped. And this should bring the Raider up to even faster speeds than it's already at. It's already, I believe, the fastest Raider on YouTube, possibly the fastest Raider in the world. So this should make it even faster if I can keep it on the ground. So this is a 30-tooth idle gear, and I'll run that in combination with this 20-tooth pinion gear. And we'll see how it goes. Now, those of you that watch my channel also know in the Traxxas Bandit, I have this new Hobbywing speed controller here I've been running. And I want to give a big thank you again to the Right Place. Great YouTube channel, link in the video description, for sending me out this speed controller. Again, the generosity is just outrageous. Thank all you guys so much for helping me out. I try to help the channels back with maybe some sponsors when I can, but I mean, people are just so generous. At any rate, the stock Hobbywing fan burnt out like 5 minutes into running 3S on it. Ridiculous. Hobbywing, I don't know, I'll give them some props. They sent me out a new fan. However, it's still only rated for 6 volts. So it's useless on this ESC because the fan is designed to run right off the battery voltage. And when you're running 3S and you're at 12 plus volts, this fan's not very happy. Most fans wouldn't be happy. So while I was waiting for them to send me out a new fan, and I'll save this for some of my other cars that I have Hobbywing speed controllers, and in case one of the stock fans burn out. It's fine at 2S and it's fine running off of BEC. But the upgrade I have here for the Traxxas Bandit is a WTF fan. These are known for, you know, good cooling, blowing a lot of air, and it should be a nice little upgrade to the Bandit to help keep the ESC cool. So we're gonna get this thing out, hopefully get up maybe to 100 miles an hour one of these days, and a lot of different things going on my channel. So I just wanted to give a thank you to everybody. I hope I'm not forgetting anyone. A lot of things going on, but I'm gonna try within the next several days to get a video on this Traxxas 4Tech. Can't wait, just kind of a shakedown run. I'll GPS it just for fun, see how fast it goes stock. Put a comment in the comment section if you have a guess how fast this stock Traxxas 4Tech is gonna go. I'm guessing around 20, but who knows? We'll have to see. And oh, one more thing, I have a new servo saver for the Kyosho Raider. So hopefully that'll let me correct some of the steering issues I was having. The car was a real handful, a real mess. And like I said, I hope to get this out this weekend for some 2S runs. Not sure if I'm gonna do 3S. I need to do a shakedown run on 2S first. And I'll see what I have time for, but certainly on my list of things to do. All right, guys, that's all I have for now for the update. And please give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I have all this and much more coming in my future videos. Take care.